mission do you say? We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say, welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this day.
Once again, congratulations to the champion of any English medium school. Let us begin this auspicious occasion by invoking the blessing of honor.
And unwavering determination, but above all it demands teamwork. As the beautiful saying goes, "तालियां दोनों हाथों से ही बजती है." Success is never a one-person show. It is always the result of unity, trust, and collective effort. Our seniors believed in the guidance of their teachers. They followed the instruction with sincerity. They
One and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So
receive appreciation and their excellence is honored with pride. Before we begin, our sincere gratitude goes to the generous donors who continuously support and motivate our students through their valuable contribution. Their encouragement not only rewards achievement but also inspires many more students to aim higher. On behalf of the society, respected principal and staff, I sincerely thank our generous donors who have been an integral part of their success. So I would like to call upon the donors coming together. So I request the donors to please come on this dais and felicitate the topper.
Congratulations, what a great achievement and a job well done. Congratulations, you are so awesome. I salute, I commend you for a job well done. Congratulations, you are amazing. Way to go, way to shine for a job well done. Congratulations, time for celebration. Keep it up, well deserved. What a job well done. Congratulations, congratulations, what a great achievement and a job well done. Congratulations, you are so awesome. I salute, I commend you for a job well done. Congratulations, you are amazing. Way to go, way to shine for a job well done. Congratulations, time for celebration. Keep it up, well deserved. What a job well done. Way to go, way to shine for a job well done. Keep it up, well deserved. What a job well done.
Good morning everyone, respected dignitaries, principal, teachers, my dear friends and dear juniors. Today as I stand here as a school topper, my heart is filled with gratitude and pride. This achievement is not just mine. It belongs to this wonderful institution that shaped me into who I am today. I sincerely thank deeply grateful to our teachers who guided us with patience and dedication. Your belief in us made all the difference. I would also like to thank my parents for their unconditional love, sacrifices and constant milestone would not have been enough. I request my juniors all the best. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Sampada Srikatham. First of all, I would like to thank all the society members as well as all my teachers, my juniors and others for felicitating me today in this occasion. This achievement has been achieved not only because of me, but also because of the constant support and encouragement by my teachers and my parents, and of course my hard work and dedication too. I have been studying in this school since from LKG, and I learned a lot of things in these years. The school has been my second home for the past 12 years. The journey was not about only studies. It was about learning values, discipline, respect and a bundle of memories which are unforgettable. I still remember the old days, the excitement of annual days, sports days, competitions, especially the school trips, cultural programs and the competition of my own friends during the exams were just unforgettable. Our teachers, like primary teachers as well as high school teachers, encouraged me and supported me in each and every activities. So I sincerely thank all my primary and high school teachers for making what I am today. I feel very happy and proud to be the student of any society's any English medium school. At last, to my juniors, a sweet advice from me. 10th standard may look difficult, but trust me, it will be definitely possible if you stay consistent. But along with studies, social interest in other activities too. Enjoy your school life because these days will never get you back. At last, study well and get good results and make any societies and English medium school proud. All the best. Once again, thank you for inviting me.
Good morning everyone. Today I feel immense pleasure to be in front of you to share a few words on this occasion. I have become a part of this institution from the day I sought admission in class UKG in the year 2014. As we all know, a beginning can't stand firmly. A strong foundation is laid. My heartiest thanks to Ujjwala Miss who gave me a strong foundation to excel in my academics. I also convey my thanks to my primary and higher primary school teachers who taught me and guided me to achieve this result. Today I feel school life was far better than college life. The care, love, affection and trust shown by all the teachers towards me is missing in the college. When I entered into 10th standard, our headmistress, Janvi ma'am,
I am Harika, respected principal, teachers and my dear juniors. Good morning everyone present here. Standing here today feels very special for me because this is not just a school for me. This has been more than a school, maybe a second home for the last 12 years. From LKG to 12, I have grown up here. In these 12 years, I was not just a student who came to attend classes. I was a child who experienced everything here: happiness, excitement, friendships, learning, and even moments of struggle and tears. Today, I can confidently say one thing: whatever mindset I have today, whatever values I carry today, is given by the school. Teachers taught me, and of course, parents guided me throughout the journey. When it comes to education, people often think good education depends on big buildings and modern facilities, but my experience taught me something different. Education is not measured by the size of building, but by the strength of foundation it builds in students. Our school amazing experience. Thank you.
Being here feels like a dream comes true. This achievement is not just my success, it is the result of the constant support, guidance and blessings of my teachers and parents. First of all, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to my teachers. They supported us at every step. The way they taught us was truly exceptional. Every concept was explained so clearly so that our foundation became strong because of their dedication. What makes our teachers special is that they never focused only on marks. Yes, they trained us to score well. Apart from preparatory exams, they made us practice many model papers after completion of syllabus. That practice improved our speed, accuracy and confidence. We solved so many different types of questions that we became mentally prepared for an exam situation. But beyond marks, they taught us something much greater. How to think, how to learn and how to face life. They never got angry when we asked out, no matter how small or repeated the question was. They patiently explained it again and again until we understood. That patience built our confidence. They did not just teach from textbooks, they taught us moral values, discipline, respect and determination. They prepared us not only just for board exams but for the challenges of life. They taught us that obstacles will come but we must stand strong and never give up. Because of their motivation, even creating the session to push us to perform better, we were inspired to give our best. Their belief in us made us believe in ourselves. I can proudly say today, whatever I have achieved is because of my teachers' guidance and blessings. To my dear juniors, I just want to say, success is not about studying one day before exam. It is about consistency, practice and believe in yourself. Listen to teachers, clear your doubts without fear and practice as much as you can. Hard work never fails. Now, I would like to say few words to my juniors in Hindi. हौसलों की तरकश में कोशिशों का वो तीर जिंदा रखो. हौसलों की तरकश में कोशिशों का वो तीर जिंदा रखो. हार जाओ जिंदगी में सब कुछ, मगर फिर से जीतने की उम्मीद जिंदा रखो. थैंक यू.
ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿನ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂಭಾಗದ ಕುಳಿತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ, ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೆ, ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಎನ್ವಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಪಾಲಕರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪೋಷಕರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಏನನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಏನನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರುಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ